Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get mints in Pokémon Sword and Shield. The most consistent method involves the Battle Tower, a post-game facility. Mints are crucial for optimizing your Pokémon stats, allowing you to fine-tune their competitive viability. Understanding how to obtain them is key to building a powerful team. To begin, you'll need to reach the Battle Tower, located in Winden. After completing the main story, you can challenge trainers there to earn battle points. These points are the special currency required to purchase mints. Winning battles consistently is the fastest way to accumulate enough BP for your desired mints. Earning battle points involves battling through the various ranks of the Battle Tower. The more consecutive wins you achieve, and the higher your rank, the greater the BP rewards. Focus on building a well-rounded team with good type coverage and strong moves to maximize your chances of success and earn BP quickly. Once you have enough battle points, head to the Battle Tower lobby. Speak with the attendant on the right side, who manages the BP shop. You can then browse the selection and purchase any mint you need for 50 BP each. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Optimizing your Pokémon's nature with mints is a game changer for competitive play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.